Hello guys, in this recording I'm going to explain about what is provisioning, deployment, configuration management, and we'll also see how to install Terraform. In my previous recording I have explained the difference between manual and automation. We have seen the difference between imperative and declarative. Also I have explained about what is infrastructure as code. In infrastructure as a code, whether it is programs or it is automation software, you're building your entire infrastructure with the help of code. But the modern day automation softwares like Ansible, Terraform is human readable and has more advantages to use it. Now we'll see what is provisioning. Provisioning means creating something. So with the help of infrastructure as a code installed on your local computer or on your server, you are creating something. For example, creating a network in cloud, or creating a segment or subnet in cloud, creating internet gateway, or creating a virtual machine. So this process is called provisioning. Now deployment means once the machine is provisioned, let's say a virtual machine is created with an operating system, so you're deploying some application within it or configuring some services within it. That process is called deployment. Then finally, we used to manually connect to the server. We used to manually do a lot of configuration, either in a wizard based way or using commands. But using automation software, it is possible to configure, so make changes to configurations within the operating system. That is called configuration management. Now the modern day automation softwares can do provisioning, deployment, and configuration management. So Terraform is mainly for provisioning. It is also possible to do deployment and configuration with the help of Terraform, but still Terraform is mainly for provisioning. Ansible is for deploying and configuration management, but it's also possible to provision using Ansible. It is always recommended to use Terraform for provisioning and Ansible for deployment and configuration management. In these recordings, I'm just going to explain about Terraform. So let's see how we can install Terraform. Terraform can be installed in our local laptop or desktop, or on a server in our office, or on a virtual machine in cloud. Now for this recording, I am going to install Terraform in my laptop. Now if you visit this website, terraform.io, and if you click on this download, it will take you to the installation section of Terraform, and Terraform can be installed on almost any operating system. For this demo, I am going to show the installation on Windows. So I'll select Windows, and I'll go with AMD 64 to get 64-bit software. It is just a 20 MB software. It's getting downloaded. Once the download is complete, it will be a zipped file. You can extract to your system. So you can extract anywhere in your system. I'm extracting to C drive. Within C drive, I'll ask to create a folder called Terraform and then extract that. Now within C drive, within the Terraform directory, so we have terraform.exe. It's not like a traditional installation. You don't need to double click on it to do the installation. Just extract it. Once after it's done, open any command line interface in your Windows, command prompt or PowerShell, and this command line should recognize Terraform. But just after extracting it, so it's not Terraform space ---- version, or if you just hit Terraform, so it says Terraform is not a recognized command. So what we need to do is we need to go to environmental variables. So just search as env and I'll go to system environment variable and click on this environment variable. If Terraform has to be used by a single user, the logged in user, so just select that user. Or if you have admin privilege, if Terraform has to be used for your entire system, you can choose it on system variables. So I'll choose user environmental variable and I'll select path. I'll click on edit and I'll point the directory where I extracted Terraform. I'll say OK and again OK. And now once after doing that, still this PowerShell can't recognize it. So you need to close and open it. Now if you type Terraform, now Terraform is going to be a recognized command. You can use Terraform space ---- version to check the version of Terraform installed on this system. So I have shown how to install Terraform in my Windows machine. It's possible to do it on even Mac or Linux based operating systems.